Happy Earth Day, everybody! Today we are making a solar oven with my brother.
Oh! Here we go.
So we need a box full of cap, some wax paper, and aluminum foil, tape or glue, and some scissors.
Yay!
So first we're going to cut a window out of the box. Yes, out of the lid.
Yeah,
Of the box.
yeah, but the lid is on the box.
And if you need help, ask
A corner.
Yes. Wait, you're always one step ahead of me.
Yeah. Yes, I
And
am.
make sure to leave the flap on the box, and it's going to look like this. We're going to take the aluminum foil and put it around the lid.
Yay!
Now we're going to take another piece of aluminum foil, then put it inside.
Yeah.
Ta-da! We're going to tape the wax paper onto the lid, but not the flap, to cover up the hole. The wax paper keeps the heat from escaping the oven. So now our solar oven is ready to cook some s'mores. So we are cooking my second favorite treat, and unlike camping, we put the chocolate on the top of the marshmallows, not underneath.
Yeah.
And now we are going to cook our s'mores. Close the lid. We use a stick to prop up the solar panel, and the light shines onto the solar panel, then bounces off the solar panel and goes onto the wax paper, then cooks our s'mores.
Yeah.
And make sure that the solar panel directs to the sun. That way, it will do the cooking. Now we let it bake. Solar energy creates power from the sun to make power. Solar energy is a good source of alternative power. Our s'mores have been baking for 1 hour.
Yeah.
Let's see. The chocolate got a little melted. Oh man, so melty. So it worked. I'm glad it worked. I thought it might not work because I never made one before, but it worked. And I can't wait to try it once it starts to get cool down. The chocolate's hot. It burned my tongue. Remember to recycle, reduce, reuse. Bye!
Bye.
Oh, wait. Subscribe, like, press the bell for notifications. Bye.
Bye.
Stir fry. Yum.